In today's video, Clickbank, the fastest way to make money on Clickbank for beginners. And this is a free tutorial, free step-by-step tutorial. Just as I started to make this video, it started to rain, so we'll see how we go. Alright, so my name's Graeme. I make videos on affiliate marketing and how to make money online. Now, in today's video, you'll want to watch this right till the end. Today, I'm going to show you how to find a product on Clickbank, how to find who the top sellers are for that product, how to find their landing page that they use, their high converting landing page, and also I'm going to show you the sort of traffic that they're getting, how you can replicate that web page for free without knowing any technical skills, copy and paste, and then we get traffic. You should be able to make, $200, $300 a day out of this. So stand by, strap yourself in. This stuff I have not revealed before. And look, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button and hit the bell icon. And what that'll do, it'll help the algorithm and it'll also get you notified every time I post a new video. Have you heard that old saying that smart people copy or they model successful people? Well, that's what we're going to do. Have you heard of Google operators? You may not have, but that doesn't matter. We're going to be using that in this strategy to get you making money quicker and more money. And the best part of that, you don't need tech skills. You don't need any of that. I'm going to show you how we do this. As I said before, copy and paste. It is that simple. Look, you probably won't want to share this information because it is so dynamic and so powerful. You're going to be able to make commissions when other people are not, and they're going to wonder what the hell you're doing. For someone that is new, to be able to find the top, the top few sellers, because say the top 5% of the sellers in Clickbank probably make 90% of the commission. The 5 to 10 top sellers probably make 90% of the commissions in Clickbank. So you may not want to share this. Now just quickly, I'm assuming you've got a Clickbank account. If you haven't, just go over here to the right and click on sign up and fill out a few details, and it's pretty painless. There are a couple of countries that you cannot sign up for, Nigeria, some of those second tier I should say. Then we're just going to head over here to the marketplace. What we do next is we go up here to the search bar. We're just going to click on the magnifying glass and that'll bring up a list of products. And it really doesn't matter which product you choose because this will work with any product. It is so powerful. Alright, so I've chosen a product called Get Proven. And when you go to the website, this is what it looks like. So I'm not going to click on that because it'll be a bit deafening. As I said before, the product is not that important because this will work. And when you follow the steps, you'll pick the right product. You might look at a couple first, but this, you'll get the right product by following these simple steps in this step-by-step tutorial. So now what we're going to do up here in the address bar, we're just going to copy the Get Proven net, not the rest after that. And then you want to go to a new browser and we're going to open up a website called Similar Web. So we just copy this section here, copy, then we go to Similar Web, and then we paste that in there and click on the magnifying glass. Now this is going to give us a lot of data. This website is really critical in this process. But we don't need all the data, but it does give you some amazing data and content. So it gives you some idea of the traffic that this website's getting. Now, I'm not real concerned about this because what we want to look at, it's good content, but this is where we want to go, to the referrals section. This is the meat in the sandwich here. Now when you look down here on the left side, these are the top affiliates that are sending traffic to the affiliate traffic to the offer. Now, this is pretty critical information. Well, not critical, but it's information that you normally don't get access to. This is the stuff that I'm revealing to you today that I've never revealed to anyone else before, and will have you making money fast as an affiliate. So we're going to use this information to find out where they're promoting the offer, what landing pages they're using. So it's pretty straightforward. We're just going to choose one. So let's say this one here. If you can see there, it's got go to website. So we click on that. And what happens, don't be disappointed, it's blank. I'm going to show you another hack how we actually find it. It's blank because they've got it hidden. All right, this is what I was referring to before, the Google operator. So what you do is you go to the front of this domain and you type in site.colon and hit enter. So now when you look at the results on the page, these are all just World Health Wellness. These are pages on that domain. Now what we're going to do here is we're going to go to the end of that and we're going to type the keyword of the product or the name of the product. So we're going to go plus proven. And then we're going to go search, hit the magnifier. Now the first one here is a website, a landing page. So let's just click on that. Click on that and have a look. And there you have it. There is the web page that they have hidden. There is their high converting web page. Now what I'm going to show you in a moment, how you can copy and paste and edit this for your own landing page without any tech skills, without any experience. Now before we do that, we want another step. We want to see if this affiliate is getting much traffic. So what we're going to do, we're going to go over here and again we're going to select that, and then we're going to, oops, not all that, without the HTTP, we're just going to select that portion there. Then we're going to go to similar web again. All right, so now here it's served up the results, and what you can see is they're pushing an amazing amount of traffic, 1 million views a month. And this other data is not that important to us, but 96% of that traffic is coming from the US, from the United States. So with that amount of traffic, we know this is going to be converting. We've also found one of the top, maybe the top 5, the top 10 affiliates that's promoting it, and we found the page, the landing page they're using, which is converting really well. So now we go over to a site called, surprise enough, SitePro. Now don't worry, I told you we're not going to have to build a website. If you can copy and paste, this is going to be simple. So you'll need to go and sign up for a free account. All right, so we're just going to click on create new website. I think you may have to, you can get a free thing for about a week. You may need to pay a couple of dollars a month for this, but let's continue. I'll just pause while this is loaded. All right, so we go back here. Now we're going to copy that whole URL. Then we're going to go back to site.pro. Here we are where it says import any website. We're going to click in there. We're going to paste it in there, and then we're going to go import. And it's just doing their stuff. I'll come back when that's all finished. And here is your page that you've copied from one of the top affiliates. Now you can see the image is missing, so I'll show you how to get that. Now what you see there now is normally I would just right click and copy. So on a PC, so you hold down Shift, Control and C. We're going to get the link for this image. And now we go up here, we hover over that suitcase, and you see here, there is the link to that image. So we just copy that. All right, so what we do here is then we drag a picture down there. Then brings this, so we just click on one of these images here. Any image will do, we're not going to use that image. Then we can go here and we're going to choose the image link that we found before. Select that. So we just click on import into gallery, and there it is. There's your page. Now we're just going to edit this a fraction. So we go up here. You see the little pencil. We click on that. Edit text. And we might just put belly in here. Where did that go? Oh, I put it in the wrong place. The software I'm using to do the screen capture tends to slow some of this down. So let's say belly. And there's the other thing. Now we need to go down here. And this link here at the moment is the other affiliate link. So we don't want to be driving people to their link. So we're going to alter that. Now we want to get our affiliate link. So we just go, this is not the same product, but to get any affiliate link, you just click on the promote link of the product. And if you're logged in, this will pre-populate. Just click on generate hop link. And then this long, ugly looking link will be your affiliate link. So we take this link here, copy, we go back to our site. So we just click on the link, and then on the right hand side we go down here. And as you can see, there is the link. Now we want to alter that. We want to put our affiliate link in there. So we delete that. Paste ours. All you need to do from there is go apply. And then, so this is it. Yeah, you might want to change some of these words if you want. That's entirely up to you. I think that it would be better if it was centered. I don't know why it's moved. Let's just see. It may come out. So let's publish and see what it looks like. Before we publish, what I've gone back in and done, that didn't look right there. I've just used a pencil, highlighted that, and used the WYSIWYG editor here to center that. Now I've worked out how to center that button, so you just click on that and you go over here where my mouse is, and it was on horizontal. You put it to vertical. I just click back on there again. That brings it up. And then you alter it. Then you republish it, which I've done. Now we're going to go back to our dashboard. And I've just previewed it. It's what it looks like if you hover over the Watch Now button. You'll see down here in the bottom left-hand corner, if you were to click on that, there's your hop link. So we're going to go back to the dashboard. So we've gone to our dashboard, My Sites, and here we are here. We just click on this and open it. And there is your new high converting landing page that is used by, one of the top affiliates. You could have edited some of this a little bit. When you click on here, Watch Now, it takes you over. That's your affiliate link, and it's taking you to the sales page. And now all that remains is to get traffic and drive traffic to this link up here. I just named it Graeme. You could have named it whatever you like. So now all we need to do is get traffic, drive traffic to this landing page. And when people click on that and they buy, you make a commission. And that's how you can make $200 or $300 per day with Clickbank, and the fastest way to make money on Clickbank as an affiliate. So let's have a look at traffic. So some of the traffic methods, and that's another video in itself. Some of the traffic methods I use that you could use Facebook marketing. And there's always two sorts of, or two types of marketing for traffic, and that's paid traffic and free traffic. And I focus on here at the moment with free organic traffic. Now, have a look on my channel, and look, if you haven't subscribed and you've got value from this video and you've liked the video, smash that subscribe button and hit the bell icon, and I promise that you'll be notified of every video that I post. So some of the methods that I use are Facebook. You can create a Facebook group. You could go into other Facebook groups that focus on weight or health and diet and things like that. And when you comment in there, people will start to look up your profiles. They answer, when you answer questions, people get to know you. You can actually message them and, give value. Other ways are Twitter, YouTube, using keywords to make small YouTube videos and having a link in the description. Reddit is another way. Quora is a question and answer website where you can go in, people ask questions and you can answer those questions. And inside of the article that you answer, you can have a hyperlink back to your website. But for full traffic training, go to my YouTube channel and search out some of the traffic. All right, I hope this video has been of value to you. My Clickbank training, the fastest way to make money on Clickbank for beginners, free tutorial. Feel free to share it with your friends if you want. Until the next video, and if you've got questions or comments, leave them in the comment section below, and I'll see you on the next video.